It's all handmade.
Pardon me?
Handmade. Made yourself.
Yeah, most of it.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I make video. You cook all
What?
You cook
Oh,
all
actually, Angel did. She just went to the bank. I just work for her.
Oh, okay, okay.
But she's really good.
I
mean,
think
her
it's
pies
yours.
are amazing.
I think it's your store. Yeah. Everything good?
Huh?
Everything good?
Yeah.
Yes.
They're just the white onions.
Thank you so much. You have a good day.
So they're not sweet.
I ate some the other night. They got a little bit of a sweet taste to
Yeah?
them.
How much are they?
$3 a bundle.
You like that one or you want a different one? Those little bugs,
Which one do you like?
little turtle. I already got your turtle. What's some eagles? I don't even remember mine. Those so really good. Oh,
$3.
Eagles.
Uh-huh. Catching your eye.
Hello
How are
again.
you? Everything good?
What's that? Everything good? Yeah, no, for sure.
Some new one?
Just yeah, a little bit here and there. The pans on the bottom, the
Yeah,
containers on the bottom, they're different from the last time we were here.
Like this.
You like those? Yeah, those are real silver, gold plated, or gold inlay. I said plated, wrong word.
How much that cost?
The back says 47. I'd let them go for $45.
Yeah, it's very expensive antiques. You know.
Yeah, they are, but they're precious metal.
Yep. You make that?
Thank you very much.
You have more up there? Oh, you're saving those?
These are just for when there's like blank spots.
Because that top one's really cute too.
My name is Jasmine. I've been painting 5 years. I do a lot of landscapes and butterflies, and I like colors.
Okay. When you start that?
2020,
2020. Too long. 4-5 years, right?
about 5 years.
Yeah. What kind you use of paint? Either water paint?
I use acrylic paint on any canvas. I use any brush. I just like nature things. I watch Bob Ross a bunch. So,
That's good. Is everything good?
thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.